How to set up direct deposit with USAA Bank. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can set up direct deposit with USAA Bank. So let's get started. In this video, I'm gonna just go through how you can do so. So this is a website by USAA Bank themselves where they tell you what direct deposit is, what you can get with it, and how you can set it up. So if you don't know what direct deposit is, it's a way you can get paid by putting your money directly into your USAA savings account instead of getting a paper check. So to set this up, what you'll have to do is first, if any company asks you for your bank information, you'll need to give them your USAA Federal Savings Bank, that is your name of your bank, and after that your account number. After you give that your account type and then your routing number. After you do that, you may require to do a direct deposit from the form, which they can help with. So yeah, just answer some questions and you can do so. So to find your direct deposit information, you will need to go to your USAA mobile app, so you can do that. And that's basically it guys, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.